Crazy. First 3 casts had 3 big golden shiners. Right here in front of me. There's one right there. Check it out. Check it out. Golden shiner. What a day. Golden shiners. Yes, sir. That's what we're fishing for today. Golden shiners. That's 4 in a row. See if I can get 5. There he is. Oh, 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 oh. Big gill. Bigger gill. Ah. Decent fish. Decent fish in the wind. See if I can get that mealworm back. There we go. Little pink head. Little piece of worm. See how it goes. First crappie of the day. Not too bad. There we go. Not a great big guy, but hey, he's a fish, huh? Having fun. We are having fun. There he is. Oh, that's a good fish. Nice gill. Look at this gill. It's a big gill here. Wow, that's a pretty fish, man. Really nice one. Really nice fish. Really nice bluegill. Really pretty fish, man. Nice. Nice stuff, man. Nice stuff. Okay. Cool. Quite a bit windy, actually. There's one, and that feels good. That's a good fish. We got big bluegill. Wow. Big bluegill. Big bluegill. That one took the waxy. Decent fish. Nice crappie. We're getting a couple of fish. Bluegill. Not too bad. Not too bad. Fish. Not real fast action, but kind of fast action. If we can't get another big crappie. Maybe we can get another big golden shiner. There's something pretty nice. Oh, 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 oh. Nice gill. Decent gill in the wind. Decent gill in the wind. Nice. Alright, we're catching a couple. Good enough. Alright, we're working it. Not easy. Even though it's warmed up, they're not taking baits too aggressively. Matter of fact, they're not taking them aggressively at all. That's just a little guy there. Little guy. Get bigger. Alright, fishy, 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 fishy. Come on. There we go. Oh, decent. Decent. Not bad. I'm happy. I'm happy. Today is a catch and release day. Just trying to see. That's a decent one. Bluegills in the wind. And I mean wind. Come here, Muley. Yeah, got my mealworm back. There's one. A little guy. Little guy. There we go. Well, the camera was not rolling, but there's another nice crappie. Pretty good one. Nice fish. Hit my hair jig. Just hit my hair jig. Plain without anything on it. So, nice looking fish. Back she goes. There we go. There it is. All you gotta do is look away and you get a fight. Like I say, nothing great big, but I'll take it for March or April or May. A decent fish too. That was a decent fish. Okay. Not too bad. For March or April or May or whatever. Hey everybody, how's it going? March 10th, 2020. and things are starting to warm up a little bit. It was 65 degrees today, although it didn't feel like it in the wind. Wind was pretty nasty. But anyway, we fished 2 different bodies of water today and came away with well over 100 fish. We had some decent sized crappies. Would have been nice eater size, 3/4 pound fish. And we had bluegills up to 8.5, nothing much bigger than that. Caught some of them in the stream that enters a local lake. It was pretty cool to do that. Haven't done that in a while. But anyway, I don't feel bad about it. Had a lot of fun. Used ultralight tackle. Caught a ton of fish. Just didn't get many big fish. Caught some bass, small bass. We caught some big golden shiners. And of course a ton of bluegills. So anyhow, hope you all enjoy the vid. I think we got enough footage to make people sit and look. So I'm going to sign out, and y'all be blessed. Okay, have a great day.